Greetings. It's April 30th, 2021, early afternoon here in the Pacific Northwest, BNW. And Sightseeing with Dignity, Tolerance, and Human Rights. Education Art Series Artwork 46 is that's 98% completed. It's sealed in plexiglass in the frame now. Just working on the frame here, which has some various accoutrements meant to look like eyes. We have a letter A found on the sidewalk, like for alphabet. An upside down plastic smiley face. More eyes in the bottom. Or metaphoric simulated eyes of sorts. This doesn't blink. It used to, but it didn't work anymore. F could be alphabet. Alphabet could be Yiddish or English, feh, which is like, when you bite into something that's food that's gone rancid, feh. Or another English word is farstinkener. It's like stinking. This is like the stinking Microsoft, Google with 3 O's, and Facebook with 3 O's also. So the artwork, the full title is the Google, Facebook, and Microsoft Home and Office Self-Administered Optometry Eye Chart Not Sea Monster, in recognition of their corporate empires having destroyed common sense fundamentals of graphic design. All manner of websites by all manner of companies, non-profits even, government agencies, and it's morphed to all manner of hard copy publication type. Light value, low contrast, not approved by any optometrist worldwide. So, to test your vision here, see how many letters and or numbers and how many words you can find and read. Also see how many eyes you can find and how many sea beasties you can find. There's quite a few. All right, we also had a car crash here, or when the sea beast kind of crashed into a dock and mashed up this car here, and I'm going to look for an ambulance to put up here to render aid. All right, there you have it. Ladies, what do you think? It's good? It's good? First adoption? It's Polish. Very good? Not so good? What's your well, okay. That's fine. You guys can be indecisive. Take your time. I know critiquing art is a challenge for anybody. Okay, there you have it for now. I'm just going to do a quick circumnavigation of the drawing from the lower left, clockwise. I think they like it. Very good. Center. There's a lot of very light value type here. Just the way that Microsoft and their subsidiaries, their executive staff and website design staff, like on LinkedIn, for example, just the way they love it. Same thing with Facebook. and their subsidiaries. And same thing with Google, their subsidiaries, like Yahoo, Flickr, YouTube, and so on. All right. With the larger eyes here. Okay, that's it for now.